Welcome to the T Academy. Number lines are used to help students find the answer to addition and subtraction problems. It is just one strategy a child might choose to use. Most number lines you see will start at 0 and go to 10, maybe 20. So they're really simple to use if you have a problem such as this, 2 plus 8. So all the student would do would be to start on the big number and then do 2 hops forward. So starting on 8 and do 1 hop, 2 hops, and that lands them on 10 if it's working correctly, and they would know what the answer is. 8 plus 2 equals 10. Sometimes, though, a student is working with a bit larger numbers but would still like to use a number line. So in that case, you would use an open number line. This is where the student creates their own number line. All they would do is simply draw a line on their paper, and instead of starting at 0 and going to the number, they would start at the number they need. So in this case, 28 is our big number. And then they would just start at 28 and keep counting up on their number line until they get, oh, let's say to 36. But they could just make it as big as they would like, but wanting to start with the big number, Big Daddy. Now you have a number line that suits your needs for what you need to do the problem. So they would start on Big Daddy, 28, and then you would teach them, don't start counting at 28, that's your starting part. Now you have to hop. So we're going to do 8 hops to find the answer. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 28 plus 8 would be 36. Again, the big difference is an open number line, the child starts and creates themselves, starting on the number that they know they need instead of starting at 0. Hope this helps you and your child work on math strategies together. Thank you.